make us a spoon blank out of this little old piece of cherry wood. A little round piece like this. What you do, take your hatchet or whatever you've got, you're gonna split it right down the center of it, right down the pith. Take you something to hit the back of it with. I got this old stick right here, we'll use that. Split that down just like that. Once you get that started there, it'll split right open there, see? Now you got your 2 spoon blanks right there. So what we'll do now, we'll use this little one right here first. What you do, you take and you flatten that out where you want your spoon part to be. And on this, and we'll put it down here toward the bigger end. Just take your hatchet, just smooth that out real smooth. That'll give you a good flat surface to draw your spoon out on. Now we'll just draw it out on there. We'll just draw the spoon part out, because on them handles, I just go with the handles pretty much. Draw whatever shape of spoon you want on there. We'll do something about like that. It ain't gotta be perfect. Your first spoon ain't gotta be perfect drawing it out, because we're gonna pack that away anyways. You'll see here in just a minute. Anyways, you take your hatchet, you're gonna work a bulk of that wood off of there, right about through there. We'll start there and go all the way down. That'll save you a lot of work with your pocket knife, taking all that out with your hatchet like that. See there? Now we can come here to the other side and do the same thing. Here in just a minute, I'll show you how to get a small curve in your spoon, so you ain't just got you a straight spoon, you know what I mean? Work that down a little bit more. See what I did there? Now what we'll do, we'll take our hatchet. Just be careful doing this, so you're gonna hold that about right there. We're gonna start right here at the top of that spoon. You can see there where the hatchet is. We're gonna work that down into a dip. Just like so. You can put much of a curve in it as you want to there. We'll just put a little curve in this, and this will just be a little eating spoon. That's what it'll be. Once you got your spoon part worked out there, you have to come back up here on the handle. Take some of that down. Because once you get so deep with that cut wants to keep on running all the way to the length of that handle to solve that. You turn it over right there. And you go down just like that with your hatchet. Down into where it started splitting up there. Just like so. See how we got that curve in it now? We'll come on up a handle just a little bit more. Get some of that pith out of there. Just like that. See how it's got that little bit of a curve in it? Then come to the back of your handle. Take a chunk of that out. About like that. Now turn your spoon over. Take the back of it out. be the back of the handle I'm taking out right here. Super easy, like I said, it don't take but a couple of minutes there. Now what you can do if you want to, you can take these two corners off of it. That'll help you out quite a bit too. Turn it over and do the same thing to that side. You take the back of the spoon part now. You can take that little chunk off. All this is doing is saving you a whole lot of knife work. See there, now you've got you a spoon blank. You draw your spoon back out on there, get it finished up there. Hope this helps. Thank you all. Just take care.